Hey friends, it's Reba. Thanks for checking out the Drinking Vegan channel. Today, Squatch and I are on a last minute road trip. I don't know about you guys, but I find it very difficult to get good plant-based choices on the road. I find it way better to prepare some things for a cooler, throw it in the back seat, and eat when you can. Squatch here likes to put the hammer down and get from point A to point B as quickly as we can. And if we stop, you have to be able to get gas, tinkle, and eat all at the same time. Now, if I had not made food for the truck, I would be getting pretzels and candy bar when I got my coffee at the gas station. Not a good idea, because I am still trying to lose a few pounds. And the Drinking Vegan last week might have celebrated our team winning a very special football game a little too much. So yeah, didn't lose anything last week. So since it was last minute, I didn't have time to go to the store to buy things I might normally pack for the road. So I made a pasta and chickpea salad and threw in extra veggies. I made a beautiful fruit salad. Some of it was frozen fruit that I just threw in a bowl. It's thawing, and added in some apple, orange, banana. And I had a few sweet potatoes that I baked up, and they're in the cooler too. So we will just eat when we can, and I'll show you some of the things as we get them out. We have been on the road probably 9.5 hours. We've just been working on the pasta salad. Still haven't touched the fruit or the potatoes. We'll save those for tomorrow when we get there, I think. If we ever get there.